It's profoundly important to ensure that all children receive a good quality of education built around a well-designed, well-sequenced curriculum that's highly ambitious for all children. And this is about equity, and it's about social justice. You've heard in some of the other videos that are available around Ofsted's work what we found about vocabulary, and that the most disadvantaged children are often those who have access to the fewest number of words heard in conversation and don't have access to some of the more complex words spoken in conversation. Well, that puts them at a disadvantage when they come to school. And ensuring that there's a curriculum that addresses those vocabulary issues and ensures that they have a strong curriculum throughout their education begins to address that question. Similarly, in one of the other videos, you'll hear about our curriculum research, and you hear about the fact that it's the most disadvantaged children at Key Stage 3 who often find their options being narrowed and foreshortened. Looking at the experience of the last few years, we know that paradoxically it's the schools in the most disadvantaged areas with the most disadvantaged pupils who face the greatest pressure to narrow their curriculum to chase the right test scores. And that has a double effect on what children are able to learn in their school. So a conversation that's about the quality of education built around a strong curriculum is about equity and it's about social justice, and that's why it's so important that those are at the heart of the new education inspection framework.